Hi, my name is Sean Fournier, Product Specialist for Dryspin lead screws at IGUS. And today, we're going to be answering the question, what is a lead screw? Lead screws are a very common mechanism found in a variety of different types of machinery. Their purpose is to take the rotary motion of, say, a hand wheel or a motor and turn it into linear travel. There are a number of different types of lead screws on the market today. The most common amongst them are Acme screws, the American standard, trapezoidal screws, which are the European standard, metric screws, or more commonly known as machine screws, and finally, high helix screws. Now, what separates a lead screw from, say, a screw or a bolt that you may be familiar with at Home Depot? The main difference comes in how it's manufactured. Most lead screws like Acme, trapezoidal, and high helix screws are manufactured in a cold rolling process, where a steel rod is taken through a press and the threads are actually pressed into the screw itself. This makes them very, very sturdy, no waste in material, and also very precise as well. Lead screws are intended to be used in short stroke, low speed applications, and are most commonly found in things like medical equipment, 3D printers, automobiles, and packaging equipment. To learn more about what type of lead screw is best for your application, click the link below.